San Francisco is facing a lawsuit that challenges the city's gun ban in public housing. Now, the city attorney and the housing authority say they haven't seen the suit yet. They won't have to wait too long, though, because the National Rifle Association tells KRON 4 it plans to serve them with the lawsuit sometime this week. KRON 4's Da Lin examines the case.
Some public housing tenants worry lifting the gun ban in the projects will lead to more violence.
That's very dangerous.
They say crime rates in public housing are typically much higher than in other communities, and putting guns in the mix is a bad combination.
I wouldn't feel safe at all. You know, I don't like guns. I don't carry a gun, never have, never will, because they're dangerous.
But gun right advocates say not so. Allowing guns in public housing can actually save lives, since tenants can defend themselves from violent criminals.
Guns, which are the only effective means of self-defense.
Right now, the San Francisco Housing Authority's lease agreement says no guns allowed.
This is a basic right, the right to defend yourself and your family and your dwelling. Why should the city, which fails to defend people, take that right away?
The Supreme Court recently said the Second Amendment gives individuals the rights to possess firearms to defend themselves. That ruling paved the path for a San Francisco man living in public housing and the National Rifle Association to sue San Francisco and the Housing Authority. The lead plaintiff goes by the name of Guy Montagdo. It's a fake name, of course. His attorneys want to protect his identity, fearing retaliation, such as eviction. Guy Montagdo and his attorney recently attended this gun rights forum in Oakland. His attorney, Don Cates, tells me the man lives at the Valencia Gardens in the Mission District. He says the plaintiff is gay and needs a gun to defend himself from hate crimes. Has he been attacked before? Has he been threatened before?
Not so far as I know, but then again, what I do know is he wants to be able to defend himself as if he is attacked.
Some of his neighbors in the same housing complex say there's no need for guns here, since security guards patrol the building around the clock, and having guns at a place with a lot of children isn't a good thing.
There's too many kids in these apartment complex, and you know, we got to think about the kids' safety.
In San Francisco, Da Lin, KRON 4 News.
The Housing Authority wouldn't say much on the case it hasn't been served with, and the city attorney claims the federal government funds the Housing Authority and San Francisco should be dropped from the suit. The NRA says that won't happen. In fact, it plans to file a separate lawsuit against San Francisco to overturn a city ordinance that bans guns at parks and recreation centers.